Here's the explanation for homework 4. For the homework 4.1, we need to print the reverse number. Firstly, we ask the user to input a number. Then we declare two variables. First is remainder, to store the remainder when divide the number by 10. And the reverse num to store the reverse number that we need to find. The initial value is 0. After that, we run a while loop. In the club, we calculate the remainder when we divide the number by 10. Then we update the reverse number equal to reverse num multiply to 10 plus remainder. And we update the number equal to number divided by 10. The while loop will stop when the number different to 0. Then we bring the value, the reverse number, into the screen. For the homework 4.2, firstly, we need to create a Boolean array with the length is 1000 to store on the number. Then we initialize on the entries with the true value. A value in this array will finally be 4 if it is not a array, and if it is a array, the value is true. Then we run the for loop from 0 to 1000. If element array with the index price equal to true, then we update on the element with the index is the multiply of the current index a funds. Finally, we display a twin price by run the for loop in the array. If the current price and the price if the current drive I and the price I plus 2 is the right number, then we bring the output. For the homework 4.3, firstly, we declare a 2D matrix working hour table to store the working hours in weekdays. Then we declare a 1D vector total hour to store the total working of each employer. Then we run a for loop in 1D vector total hours to compute the sum of each 7 days working hour by each employee. Then we run a sort array function. In that, we sort the total hours in decreasing order and display the index of corresponding employees in that order. For the homework 4.4, firstly, we need to declare a gray bar to store the current status of the game, a show bar function to display the current status of the game, and the check status function to check the current status of the game. There are 3 status: in progress, win, or raw. In main function, we run a do while loop. In a loop, we run show bar function. Then we ask the current player to input the move. We get the input and we update the status in the bar array. If the move is invalid, we ask the player to input again. Then we run the check status function. In while condition, this loop will stop when the current status is win or draw. After the while loop, we will bring the result of the game, win or draw.